Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I will draw page number 7 of my manga. Make sure to check out the previous pages before you watch this video, of course if you haven't seen them already. As always, I was brainstorming a little bit before starting the 7th page, and these were my ideas. Again, lots of panels, and I'm of course drawing all of this from the mind. So my goal for this manga is to draw from my imagination only, to draw lots of different poses from different perspectives, and also just kinda challenge myself. So let's get right into it. I will continue from the last panel of page 6, in which Banases was charging an attack for Aglot. So Banases turned Super Saiyan 3 after the kick-off Aglot, which was his first ever attack, so Banases needed to level up. For this attack I had a great idea in mind, in which Banases is concentrating his energy on each finger, and in the following panels we will see the result of that. I will draw Banases very strained, concentrating his energy, and I'm drawing him in a difficult pose. One hand is raised up, the hand is open, the fingers are spread, and with the other arm he is grabbing that wrist, which helps him focusing his energy. So the pose turned out pretty good. It's not perfect, but I'm okay with that. Next we got two smaller panels, and in the first one I will draw Aglot shouting from the sky down to Banases, very cocky and confidently, and kinda mocking Banases. And on the next panel we can see that Banases finally blasting his attack upon Aglot. Therefore I'm drawing Banases Super Saiyan 3 in a dynamic pose and from a difficult perspective, in which his blasting hand is the main focus. I think that increases the intensity of the blast. And then we got another bigger panel, and here I'm drawing Aglot full body in a kinda prepared pose, as he sees that the attack of Banases, so the energy ball, separated itself into 5 energy balls, and these energy balls kind of floats around Aglot. I have no idea where I have seen this, but I remember that I got the inspiration for this attack from somewhere. So let me know if you recognize this attack, and then we can see that Banases controls the energy balls with his hand, and by closing the fist, the energy balls races towards Aglot. So the energy balls goes with the direction of the fingers of Banases, if that makes sense. And in the last panel we can see that a little bit, but the main focus is Aglot's face, as he is still very confident, as it seems that he knows that this attack is also no match for him. And with that the page ends, and I think we got another very dynamic page. So these were my ideas. I hope I could show the meaning of Banases' attack and kinda explain the movement with the panels. So let me know if you like it. And now we can ink all of this. So now erasing all the pencil lines, and then I will go over the lines one more time to improve them, make them more accurate, highlighting the speech bubbles and fonts, adding lines to the background and stuff like that. So basically finishing and finalizing the line art. Perfect. Now the line art is complete. I really like it. It looks great, detailed, very dynamic. And now let's move on to the coloring. I will use the same color tones as for the previous pages. As always, markers from Copic, Arrtx and Ohuhu. So now I will color the entire page. Enjoy the coloring process. Make sure to like the video if you haven't already. And then I will talk to you in the end again. So guys, last touch, and then page number 7 of my manga is done. Aglot versus Banases is getting real intense. Aglot is still not fighting back properly, as Banases is still way too weak. He kinda lets Banases do his tricks on him, but I like the pacing and progress of the manga so far. I am doing this all from the mind, so let's see what I will come up with for page number 8, and then we will also see the impact of the attack of Banases on Aglot. Alright guys, now let me know in the comments what you think of this. Also give me inspiration for future videos and like the video to show me your support. You can also support me on Patreon. If you appreciate my work, that would be amazing. I will upload this drawing uncut and in full time on my real-time channel, so you can follow my steps easy if you want to draw these drawings yourself. So subscribe to my real-time channel as well. Check out my online shop for original drawings and prints, and for commissions, message me on Instagram or email. And if your custom drawing fits to my channel, I will make a video out of it and mention your name in a video as well. All the links down below in the info box, including the links to the materials I'm using. That's it guys, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next